Hi all, little update. This is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Large 1-inch CMOS camera, a nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Bull poo. I've got one of these, and twice now I've had the the problems of these crashing, because they do not, shall we say, follow their own lead. I was flying yesterday morning. I put the drone into hover, and it was flying for around about 4 or 5 seconds. I was taking my coat off. Then it decides to do what they call a flyaway. It takes its own choices and decides it's going to go even, straight down and crash into a steel gate where it's got obstacle avoidance. This has only happened, it's the second time it's happened. DJI send you out a firmware upgrade. The firmware upgrade needs to go on that little toilet roll in the bog, and it's only fit for it. We're showing you a video running in the background of what it's supposed to do. Obstacle avoidance, tracking, this, that and the other. But it can't even detect a metal gate. You can go through objects turning that lens. It's all the BS to sell the item. But when it comes to the avoidance, you've got 3 modes of flying. You've got your normal mode, what it's set on with the orange. You've got your sport, that turns off any obstacle avoidance. So you're flying basically in the raw. But then you go into cine mode, what slows the flight down and tracks and avoids things. But with this upgrade, what come through yesterday, it stopped all that, turned it off. Now this happened in December, on December the 11th last year. The drone, I just had it up into hover, and while I was videoing something on the Christmas lights for the charity in Birkenhead in Oxton, it just fell out the sky, smashed. Sends it back. I get a bill of £304.98. Now this has happened again, but in daylight, in 4K, down outside the college in Birkenhead, and they're whinging now. Oh, it's not this, it's not that. Well, I said, well, here's a simple thing. Why has this obstacle avoidance, what's on this drone, and it's sort of switched off since I took the upload 10 minutes earlier, flown straight into a steel gate? Now, prior to that, I couldn't even take off within 5 feet of the gate because it was showing up on the LiDAR, So I ended up 4 feet away from my car, 5 feet away from the gate, took off, went into the hover, as I was taking my coat off, it decides it's flying down and crashes into the gate. Have a look at the video on my shorts on AA-AUDITS, and thanks for watching. But if you've got any friends who've got DJI drones, doesn't matter what it is, tell them not to take any download firmware uploads or anything else from them. They are full of bugs, they do not work, they crash your drones, and then they want you to pay them. But unfortunately, I've just told them today on the phone, where's my money? Oh, well, no, we're not going to give you any. Well, that's great, because I'm taking you to court for the whole lot, and for the damage and the stress and undue duress you put me through to, fly your proper, your drones, your super duper drone. And twice now you've sent me a bug-filled firmware update, and I've ended up having to have a drone replaced, and this one I was lucky I got away with just 2 pairs of propellers on the back legs this time. Very lucky. But thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if it's been interesting. Share with your friends, past your relatives, or anyone you know who's got a DJI product. Thanks for now. Bye for now. Bye-bye.